Hi, I'm going to show you how to reset Control Center on iPhone. So, as you can see, I added many controls to this center. And now to bring everything back to their defaults, all we have to do is to go in Settings and find Control Center section. After that, just tap on blue option Reset Control Center. And as you can see, this will reset your control center layout to factory defaults. So click on the red option once more. Go back to the home screen, swipe down from top right corner. And as you can see, my control center has been changed. So everything is back to their defaults. But if you cannot see this option in the control center section, then you can go in General. Here you can scroll all the way down, pick option Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and here choose to reset all settings. So this will reset display settings such as bold text, such as large text enabled and so on, as well as your control center. It won't delete any your data, it will just reset your settings, your home screen layout, and so on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.